Bike time. Interesting factoid, this is actually the frame of a fish farm. These pipes are pulled into the water, they suspend nets down from them, and they farm all kinds of different species of fish inside of them for human consumption. Sand dunes in San Carlos. Go figure. How's that low battery treating you, babe?
You can have it on.
Badass.
This is all me.
Not me. I got the battery on. I'm not trying to work hard. I'm trying to fake like I'm exercising. That's me. While Tami is hoofing it, muscles bulging out of her legs, using her upper body to lunge the bike forward. Go, Tam! Hey, I bet you if you didn't have all those stickers on there, you'd be able to go faster.
No, I need to add
More stickers, more stickers. Hey, you, come on, let's go. Let's go, hurry up, hurry up.
I've earned my tacos. You think I think I've earned my tacos?
Yeah.
Tacos and a margarita.
I think, yeah. So today we're anchored in Bahia San Carlos. So right over across the way there's Maria San Carlos. We're gonna go in there for some lunch, and then tonight is go time. We're gonna cross back over the sea. Probably leave about 2 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be a full moon. We should have a little bit of wind. Of course, that can change. Definitely did yesterday when there was supposed to be no wind, and then we had 25 knots and we were bashing into it for 20 miles. So that was not fun, but check out our view out of our backyard. Super cool houses up on the ridge line there. Let's see if I can
See how the other people live?
see how the other people live. Yeah.
Waves right now.
Yeah. No, the big fishing boats coming by. Bam! It's only a 10-foot runway. Go easy. Just like that, we're off. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.